In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the Desmos family of calculators outside of the Lumen OHM. In the exercises in the previous modules, you have had access to various calculators. All of them have been Desmos calculators because that is what Lumen offers in its OHM. However, you can access these calculators outside of the OHM in a browser. They are completely free. Desmos does ask you to sign up. So I have an account. I'm going to log in, and there's my account. I hit log in, and now I'm in. The calculators are all listed under Math Tools. There are other items out here that you may want to use. And for example, once you get into the calculators, you'll see the help pages. So the calculators in the various functions, I think in the early modules, I had you using the 4-function calculator, and then later the scientific. And in this module, we're going to be using the graphic calculator, but I'm going to possibly ask you to use it outside of the Lumen exercises in the course of the mini lecture. So here's the graphic calculator, and suppose you just want to plot a point, and let's just plot the point 2, 4, and that's over here. And if I want to put a label on it and call it P1, and I've done that, then there you go. Now let's suppose I want to have a line, a linear equation. Let's just say y equals 3x minus 2. If I put a minus in, it'll work better. There we go. Y equals 3x minus 2. And let's say I actually want to see where y is greater than 3x minus 2. And that would be everything on the left side. If I want to say greater than or equal, then it includes the line. So when we get into polynomials, for example, we may have y equals 4x squared plus 5x minus 7. And you'll see that parabola. See it a little clearer if I get rid of that. And again, if we want to make that greater than, it's going to fill it in. And so that's how you use the Desmos calculator. And it's very easy. And you will find it useful long past the end of this course.